Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VIC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see beautiful brocade soft silk sarees. All these are handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. We have different designs and a different color combination. So we are going to see all these sarees in this video. Before that, if you are first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. All these are our own manufacturing sarees freshly stocked from our loom. So please don't miss these collections. Watch this video fully for all the color combinations and the designs. So we are manufacturers of handloom soft silk sarees. Our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. You can visit us directly as well for more collections. We are giving it for wholesalers and bulk orders as well. So please do contact us and visit us directly for more collections. So we have different designs and a different color combinations. This is the first saree, a beautiful violet color. It's a self color. All over the saree you have a violet color. A beautiful rich pallu, and all over the saree you have a leaf jari work. A rich saree. You will get a contrast blouse in violet color. This is the back side of the saree. As you can see, the brocade work comes all over the saree. All these jari work is done in a neem jari. A rich work. And next is a peacock blue combination. This is also a self color. All over the saree you will get a peacock blue. A rich pallu in neem jari. And all over the saree you have a beautiful leaf brocade work which comes all over the saree. So all these are double warp sarees, comes with a SILKMARK certified tag, a premium quality silk. This is the back side of the saree, the same design which you've seen before. This is the peacock blue color. All this jari work is done in neem jari. So the next is a teal color. This is also a self color, a different design. A rich pallu, and all over the saree a beautiful jari work. You have a big border at the bottom of the saree. All these comes with a contrast plain blouse. So this is the back side of the saree. Full saree you have a rich work. So all are different designs, so please don't miss these collections. And next is a beautiful pink with teal combination. So a beautiful rich work. This saree has an emboss. So as you can see, the body is also comes in an emboss work, and a blouse you will get a emboss work. So if you want to book any of these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. I'll add a link below in the description box. You can click on the link as well and share the screenshot for booking. All these are double warp sarees. And next is a beautiful violet with blue combination. All are different design, unique patterns. So please don't miss these collections. Please do watch this video fully for all the color combinations and designs. So we are shipping all over India, and we give international shipping as well, so you can book it from anywhere. So please don't wait it. Do book right away if you want to book any of these sarees. This is the back side of the saree. As you can see, both sides you will get a blue color contrast border. And next is a pastel shade, a pastel green with pastel lavender combination. So all are different designs and unique patterns. This is the full saree. So we are shipping all over India, so you can book it from anywhere. We are dispatching on the same day the payment is made. You will get it in a maximum of 2 to 3 working days anywhere in India. Next is a peacock blue with navy blue combination. A rich pallu in blue color, and all over the saree you have a beautiful design in peacock blue. With both sides you'll get a blue color border. So we have more designs, so please do check our YouTube channel for all those designs. All these comes in a manufacturing price. All these are purely handloom made soft silk sarees. This is the back side of the saree. And next is a very beautiful teal color, a self color combination. All over the saree you have a teal. All these jari work is done in neem jari in this saree. A beautiful pallu in neem jari, and all over the saree you have a small jari works which comes all over the saree in neem jari. And you'll get a you'll get a plain blouse in same color. You have a small border design in the blouse. So this is the back side of the saree. A very rich neem jari work. And next is a beautiful chocolate color, a pastel shade. In that you have a neem jari work. This is also a self color. A very good neem jari work which gives shine on this saree. So if you want to book any of these sarees, please do take screenshot and text us on the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. This is the back side of the saree. So as you can see, the brocade work comes all over the saree. Till end of the saree you will get this work. This is the full saree. Next is a very beautiful grey combination. This is also a self color. So hope you like this collections. Please do share this video with your friends and family and support us. Also please do WhatsApp us for booking. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.